Welcome to a very special episode of I-Techie, where we'll be taking an in-depth look into the world of computer gaming. The gaming culture in Pakistan has been a growing force over the years. Its soldiers range from young children to fully grown men.
My name is Sadiq. I'm 20.
I am 23 years old.
I'm from Syed University. I'm 18 in 4th year last year.
I'm 19.
The end of the arcade era has led to the advent of the gaming zone, now offering games like Counter-Strike, Dota, and FIFA. Loyal fans of these mystical, violent, and team-driven competitive spectrums of escape flocked in herds to their respective corners of the map, forming social networks and friendships according to their gaming zone of choice. Karachi's Zamzama was once a hub of gaming zones, including the deadly duo of Delta and Defcon. Here, young men would gather together in smoky-filled, shadowy spaces to challenge their intellect as well as the skills of the other players. Then, the opening of Wired Up shook the marketplace, taking the concept of the regular gaming experience to another level. Perhaps it's the spacious environment it provides to the PC gamers, or maybe the comfy, home-like atmosphere it provides for those who wish to partake in console gaming, or, better yet, ready to order food that is actually edible. Although Wired Up has hosted and organized countless gaming events throughout the year, the Wired Up Inter-University Tournament proved to be the mother of all gaming festivals. With contestants from 10 different universities across the city, the festival kicked off on the 31st of October with the preliminaries. To narrow down the huge pool of eager university contestants, the initial face-offs went on for 6 days, with the real action blasting off on the 6th of November. And that's when the I-Techie team stepped in to bring you the highlights of this gargantuan gaming extravaganza. With the final contestants narrowed down, Day 1 proceeded with knockout rounds in all single-player games as well as Dota.
We are from Syed University and we are here to play Dota.
गेमिंग में इंटरेस्ट तो सबका ही होता है तकरीबन. कंप्यूटर गेमिंग में तो उस वक्त काउंटर स्ट्राइक से स्टार्ट किया, फिर शिफ्ट करके डोटा के ऊपर आ गए.
ठीक है
3.5 years.
मैं 2 years से खेल. नहीं, यूनिवर्सिटी में तो गेमिंग नहीं होती है, लेकिन फिर भी खुद ही मिल के आए हैं. जी, शौक तो बहुत सारे हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में प्लेयर्स हैं.
गेमिंग को प्रमोट करने की ज़रूरत है. शौक तो है लड़कों का, लेकिन उसको प्रमोट करेंगे तो आगे आएगी. इस तरह यूनिवर्सिटीज़ वगैरह में और स्पोर्ट्स का इतना कोई वो नहीं है, तो बाकी गेमिंग का तो बहुत मुश्किल है.
The winners of these matches then battled it out until 10 p.m. until only a handful were left to fight another day.
डोटा वॉरक्राफ्ट का एक मैप है, डोटा डिफेंस ऑफ द एंशिएंट.
Dota, or Defense of the Ancients, is an offshoot of Warcraft 3, in which the aim of the game is for each team to destroy the opponent's ancients, which are heavily guarded structures placed at opposing corners of the map. As in most role-playing games, the player's characters are accompanied by AI-controlled fighters. The popularity of this game has increased over time, and it has established itself as a key element of our local gaming culture.
मेरा पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट जो है वो स्ट्रैटेजी गेम्स हैं. Dota is a very nice strategic game, so actually it's the best.
On the football front, the FIFA PC players were split up into 5 pools, while their PS3 counterparts were divided into 2.
I'm an admin over here in FIFA. I'm their sponsored gamer also, wired up sponsored gamer also. I'm participating in the tournament also. FIFA. And basketball also. I play basketball also. If you are talking about the interests in sports, yes, football and basketball. In gaming, it's FIFA, that's it. I've played only tournaments. I didn't go to other gaming zones. I used to play at home. One of my friends asked me that the tournament was being held at Wired Up, and he asked me to come. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I've won that tournament unbeaten. So after that, it gradually started from one tournament to another, and interest was being developed. I mean, it was a hunger for me.
My name is Sadik. I'm 20. I'm doing ACCA and BCom also. I'm for FIFA 09. I used to play NBA also, FIFA also, virtual tennis and any sports game, but my interest is more to FIFA because I almost daily watch football. I'm a really big fan of it.
The Pro Evolution players were also split up into 2 parts. These players then battled it out until the weakest of the bunch were knocked out of the competition. Ashes on PS3 seemed to be the least popular game, with only 4 players competing. It was clearly evident that there was a fervor of sportsmanship in the air. The older and wiser gamers had a lot of light to shed on the situation.
The competition is not that tough that the last time I was also participating in that tournament. It was an all Karachi tournament. This is also an all Karachi tournament, but the boys are from universities. They are good. All of them are good, but not as good as the other guys.
I played last in the DawnNews tournament, so although I was knocked out in the first round, but it was a good experience for me. It's my 3rd tournament this year. I'm hoping to win this one, but there are many champions in this one. It's a great environment, you can say. It's very friendly. The people here are very good. The games are good, the PC and all that stuff. So I really like it because I used to play at my house. It was really sometimes boring, but now I play with different players, different talent. So it's really good.